In this video, you will learn how easy it is to process orders and manage your day-to-day tasks on the Booqable mobile app, both for iOS and Android. When first opening the mobile app, you will see the Booqable dashboard, which is your daily planner for pickups and returns. The filter bar at the top of this page will allow you to scroll across and choose which orders you would like to see. And tapping the Today button will allow you to change the time period of the schedule. The next page that you can click on is your orders page. These are for all your upcoming orders in the near future, which should be color-coded based on the order stage and payment status. The next page you can click on is your notes page, which is really handy for leaving specific notes regarding specific orders for your team to communicate with. This can be helpful for any last-minute changes or to register which staff member processed a specific payment. The last page is your app settings, where you can adjust settings such as your notifications, date format, appearance, and more. Clicking back into the dashboard page, when the time has come to hand over items to the customer for an order, you can tap the orange Picked Up button on that order, and the page will appear for you to either select the correct identifier code for each stock item going out, or hit the Scan Barcode button instead. After this, Picked Up button will display, and when clicked on, the payment screen will appear. You can skip this step, or if you're taking payment now, you can either send a payment request link for the customer to pay, or instead you can register a manual payment for any external bank, transfer, card, or cash payments for this order. Once you click Receive, the order will update on the dashboard as paid, and you can see it has also been updated as picked up, with the returning button ready for you to click on for the items have been received back by you or a staff member. Next up, you've got the orders page, where you can click to scan a order barcode, or you can click that cross button in the middle to add a new order. You can register a customer onto the order, and then you can also select your pickup date and time, as well as your return date and time for this order. The Booqable mobile app on iOS and Android is super handy for adding orders to your Booqable account on the go, or on a delivery, or when there is not enough cash registers available in store. Back on the order screen, when you're ready, you can click that Add Products button to start adding specific products to this order. If you would like to scan the specific stock item onto the order already, you can hit that Scan Barcode icon on the top right-hand side next to the search bar to scan the specific items onto the order. Scrolling down, you'll be able to add any coupon codes you have for any discounts. Here, my customer that I've added to the order already has a 20% discount that I would want to remove to replace with the coupon that I'm having for an in-store sale. You can also edit the security deposit settings. I have default settings for all of my orders where no security deposit is charged, but as this is a new customer, I want to add a fixed amount of $200 for their first order for a refundable security deposit. Scrolling up, you can click on the information icon to add any tags to this order or any extra information fields. Information fields are really handy to add any extra addresses, any extra relevant dates, or any extra notes regarding this order. Here I'm adding an extra delivery address, for example, if I were to need one for this specific order. Or I can skip this step and go to the next icon, which is my payment icon. This is where you can add to or adjust any payments that need to be made or have been made for this order. Here I will register a manual payment again of cash for the entire payment amount and security deposit amount. And the last icon is any notes that you can add. So I'm going to specify the staff member that actually registered this payment. This is super easy and helpful for communicating for specific orders to your staff. When you're ready, you can hit that reserve button down the bottom. And now those products are reserved. And you can hit the pencil icon next to the Picked Up button to generate a contract if you'd like to send that to your customer. Hitting that View button will display the contract for you. This is made by Booqable's customizable contract template, which of course you can click the link in the description box below to learn how to edit in your Booqable account. And you can also hand over the device you're working on for the customer to sign this in store. And when you're ready, you can scroll up to the top and see that this has been paid for, it's been signed, and it's also been fulfilled. So you can hit that Picked Up button and you can specify or scan the specific stock items going out with this order. And you're all set. You have now successfully learnt how easy it is to process orders and manage day-to-day tasks on the Booqable iOS and Android mobile app.